guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna start this vlog out with a grocery haul. So I figure Jason and I just went to the grocery store and we found some goodies. I'm gonna clear some room here, but I just want to say welcome if you're new, that you subscribe if you are, and if you're not new here, I hope you are doing well. I missed you guys. I just feel a little off, like I haven't vlogged in a while because I was at my parents' and I was just kind of off. So now it just feels good to be back in my element and just to kind of be back eating good, you know, like actually. So I'm just gonna go through it. I'll kind of tell you guys like ideas that we had, like I always do. I don't know how many points some stuff are, so I'll try my best to put it up on the screen for you. But for the most part, I left my phone in the car, so for the most part I just kind of guessed. There's a lot of things that we've already had here, and I just had some lunch ideas and stuff. So first things first, we got some shredded lettuce. That can really be used for anything. But then I also got Doritos. I thought we could have taco in a bag. We love that. It's pretty much like a go-to recipe when like I don't know what to make, because it's really good, really easy. Some strawberries to snack on. I'm gonna eat these tonight. Glick sauce. I might have some in the fridge, but I don't remember. But my friend, she always every night she eats strawberries with cream and chocolate, and it just like sounds so good. Jason got some of our favorite cheese. Some of this stuff I didn't even know we were getting, like Jason got, so but this is really good cheese. It's Bongards. That's like 2 points for a slice. Velveeta is only 1 point for a slice, so if you were looking for like a low option slice of cheese, that's your girl. This is my absolute favorite dill dip from Marzetti. I don't know if that's how you say the brand name, but super good. And that's also really good with potato chips, and that's not healthy, but it's also very good with carrots. So potatoes, these are not food obviously, but me and Jason use these tooth flossers. Like, these are bomb. We are gonna try these ones. They're the comfort slide. I don't know if I'm gonna like these ones, but I don't see why I wouldn't. We got some just chicken gravy. Let me turn on a light. Okay, you guys, I'm putting up my phone because I haven't got a ring light yet, but that really does help, I think. Yeah, that looks way better. So on with what we're doing here. I don't know how much this marinade is, but for 1 tablespoon you can have it, or it's only 25 calories. So this one is the honey bourbon. Marinate our chicken or something in this. Okay, and then I got this peanut butter cream power crunchies. They're usually about 6 points. I have not tried the peanut butter cream one. I've tried the peanut butter chocolate, and these, you guys, are really good. They're like a wafer. So I mean, obviously they're not like blow your mind crazy amazingly good, but they're like a good treat, I guess. And it's, like I said, like a wafer. Like if you've ever had those like wafer strawberry wafers or whatever when you were a kid, it really reminds me of that. I had to go ahead and get some more creamer. This is my staple. I have to have it every day. The sweet cream, sugar-free Italian sweet cream. Some more tortillas because mine were outdated and getting yucky, and I've been eating that wrap thing that I've been making like every single night. I'll throw a picture up right here. It's so bomb, you guys. You should really try it. I do have it in my last vlog that you might have seen. Super delicious. Love that. Some reduced fat cheddar cheese for me, and Jason got Marble Jack for him. And a lot of people do ask, like, how do you and Jason like how do you eat, and like does Jason support you, and like does he eat the same thing? I do get that question actually a lot. And if you are someone wondering, Jason and me actually eat pretty much the same. You guys know my way of eating though. I like literally will eat anything, but I just track it. For the most part, he's very supportive, and he'll cook and whatever. And if he knows I want to be good, he's very good at keeping me good. So I'm very grateful for that. And then there's times where we are bad and we both want like McDonald's, but for the most part we are pretty good. So like, you know, our diet's pretty 80% healthy, 20% not. So I think it's just a good balance. So yeah, he's very supportive. So if you are with somebody who is not supportive, you know, do your own thing. Like if you're at the grocery store and he hates this cheese, or I mean he hates this cheese, your diet cheese, get him his own cheese. And then, you know, when you're making like taco in a bag, you put his cheese on top of his and you use your cheese. So that way, you know, you get, I mean, it's a little bit more money, but like then you're still able to lose, or just make him eat it and he can suck it up. I got a third less fat-free cream cheese. I notice when I get the full fat-free cream cheese, it's gross and I don't like it. So I'm gonna try this one out. Got these. I picked these up. I think they're only 2 points. My one friend Kendall, she does watch my YouTube sometimes, so hopefully she sees this. But this is the English muffins. It's by the brand Village Hearth, my favorite. You guys already know that. So I figured I could do this with the cream cheese, and then we got fresh cucumbers from Jason's sister. So I thought I put some cucumbers on top with everything bagel seasoning. So good, you guys. I love cucumbers on everything. And then just some bread. This is my fave bread. Super good. We got some more light brown sugar. We were completely out of that. Jason picked up this roasted red pepper sauce. This sounds super good, I thought. So we could put that on like a sandwich, on ultimately anything. I found them again. My favorite turkey cheddar Johnsonville dogs. These are my favorite. So bomb. This is all of the meat we got this week, I'm pretty sure. So Jason's gonna have homemade bread his mom made and sandwiches this week. I assume maybe that's why he got this, but so yeah, he got turkey breast, and we got some 93.7 beef. I'm sorry, you guys, like the lean beef is great on points. I think it's only 3 points for 4 ounces. This is 4 points for 4 ounces, and I think I'm just gonna have to stick to like the 93.7 or something like that, because every time I make lean, like meatloaf or lean anything, or just turkey or whatever, I don't really like it. So I don't know, I was trying to steer clear of red meat for a little bit, but it just doesn't, whatever. But personally, I like the one with a little more fat in it. It just tastes better, it cooks better. Yeah, got some chicken breast. This is what I was gonna marinate. Tonight we're probably gonna eat 2 of these, so because they're extremely large, we do not need to eat 3 pounds of chicken tonight, but we can marinate the rest of them in this. I don't know, just an idea. We'll see how much that marinade is, because you guys gotta think, you just soak it in a bag. Oh shit, we didn't get more baggies, Jay. Oh well. And then we seen this and we had to get it. I don't know how many points it is, I'm guessing a lot, but to be honest, you only really need, because when I make BLTs, I only really ever eat 1 piece of bacon. But it's so funny, it's huge, extra thick cut bacon. Jason had to get it when he saw it. 80 calories for 1 cooked slice. A lot of sodium. But yeah, so we'll probably eat BLTs, put some more chicken patties. These are like a staple to have, I feel like, for me lately. Only because they're so easy. Throw them in the oven or the New Wave or microwave, whatever, and they're crispy and delicious. And then these sounded really good to us. We got waffle fries. I'm telling you guys, I eat like this for lunch all week and I lose weight. So like, portion control, baby. Jason got these. I didn't even see them, but these are so good. I wonder if like, so one of them, I never even have ever looked at the calories or nothing. So 1 pop is 50 calories, 12 grams of sugar, 12 grams of carbs. I don't know. I mean, for the summertime though, these are just bomb. Blue is my favorite, and then the light pink, and then the red. This is the last bag from the grocery store. We also got a ton of, this is the stuff, oh, I gotta put this in the freezer. This is the stuff we got from Jason's sister and her husband. So some frozen sweet corn, a ton of fresh cucumber. Like, I'm so excited about that. We got a full bag of actual sweet corn. Got homemade bread. His mom makes the best bread. Oh my gosh. I don't know the calories or anything on this, but what we like to do, eat it with butter and a little jelly. I like a little peanut butter. It's just really good, and homemade bread just hits different. So good. So, oh my gosh, they're only 5 calories, so they're probably 0 points. These, you guys, throwback. Oh my god, little Hug fruit barrels. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I don't even remember the flavors. So we got fruit punch, blue raspberry, kiwi strawberry. That one was my favorite. Great. I think the kiwi strawberry one was my favorite, but I always drink the blue because I thought that was my favorite, but I think it's the green. For food, the last things we got were stovetop chicken stuffing. This stuff is bomb. Jason loves it. Low in points. If you usually cut the butter out, but I usually leave the butter in because there's like 4 servings. There's 6 servings and you only need like a tablespoon of butter. So divide that by 5 and it's totally fine. I'll post her YouTube right here, what her channel is here on YouTube. Her name's Sophie or Sophia. I think it's Sophie she goes by, but she made like a pie crust, a jello pie, and I had to get, so Jason thought cheesecake sounded good and I did too, but I was debating between this one and banana. I just couldn't decide. But so we went with cheesecake, and then I might add peanut butter on half of it. I don't know, we'll see. And then I already have fat-free yogurt that you can mix with it, and I just came across that recipe, so I'm gonna make that this week. I'll probably vlog it, knowing me. And that is all for food, I think, except for these. I got some light Mrs. Butterworth. I've never tried this, but I want to make waffles one day. So, and then I got some more Pam spray because I was out of that. Dish detergent. We couldn't find any forever. Sponges. I got some Diet Dr. Pepper, a 12-pack. I don't want to lift it right now because my back hurts, but so I got a 12-pack of Diet Dr. Pepper, Q-tips. Jason got some essentials, some hand sanitizer. So we have one in Jay's car and this one's gonna go in my car. Alright you guys, that is it for my little grocery haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys like this grocery haul. This is just a little mini one. This will get us by for the week. We got a lot of good stuff. We just try to pick up I usually try to get like beef and chicken, because ultimately, you know, we can make anything out of the meals. With the meat we have, we can ultimately make like a lot of meals. And then like we picked up some essential stuff that we needed, and like bread and stuff. I think altogether we spent like $100, but we also got things we need like Q-tips and paper towels and toilet paper and all that stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.